Welcome back from the break. Before the short break, we're looking at examples of the Schwa sound in words. Let us continue. Let's continue with E. We have it in funnel, garment, improvement, argument, pavement, movement, and many other examples. In RE, alphabet RE, we have it in meter, liter, luster, center, kilometer, theater, scepter, quarter, goiter, and nanometer. In I, alphabet I, we have it in perceivable, invisible, edible, visible, terrible, horrible, susceptible, administration, flexible, tangible, responsible, irreversible, convertible, accessible, eligible, and ineligible. Both I's are the Schwa sound, and many other examples. In AR, we have it in particular, sugar, vinegar, vulgar, beggar, cougar, anger, and many other examples. In OR, we have it in pastor, tailor, sailor, oral, manner, conductor, investigator, proprietor, extractor, motor, facilitator, coordinator, supervisor, ambassador, ventilator, processor, professor, modulator, and many other examples. In OUR, we'll find it in color, labor, pallor, rigor, favor, neighbor, honor, flavor, behavior, splendor, glamour, candor, succor, humor, odor, savor, flavor, and many other examples. In URE, we have it in words like nature, measure, future, treasure, figure, infrastructure, structure, exposure, temperature, legislature, closure, departure, and many other examples. In OUR, we find it in words like jealous, porous, riotous, frivolous, nervous, miscellaneous, instantaneous, joyous, porous, curious, tedious, and many other examples. Minimal pairs of the Schwa sound. The E and E vowel sounds are most commonly found in unstressed syllables. Listen and repeat the following examples of the sounds E and E as they are contrasted. E, manages. E, managers. E, teachers. E, teachers. E, dances. E, dancers. E, races. E, racers. E, offices. E, officers. E, judges. E, judge. E, peaches. E, pictures. We'll be back after this break.